International Day Against the Drug Abuse. Drug abuse in India hasn't reached the levels of Western countries yet, but it is increasing at an alarming rate. Increasing instances of drug abuse among school students is a major concern. In this podcast, I would like to throw some light upon what causes drug addiction among children, how drugs affect kids, what steps parents can take to prevent it. There has been a lot of research on why some kids get addicted to drugs and some don't. Research shows that two factors influence addiction. One is genetics and the other is family environment. I am not going to talk about genetics here because it is beyond our control. Let's look of family environment. Research shows that lack of parental supervision, undiagnosed mental health issues, child abuse, and even poverty in early childhood may lead to trouble in school, difficulty in making friends, and isolation. These factors may push kids to experiment with the drugs and alcohol as an escape mechanism. Hence, it is important for parents to watch out for the root cause. Some adverse childhood experiences or ACEs may also push kids towards drug abuse. What are these ACEs? A child witnessing domestic violence, physical or sexual abuse, divorce of parents, alcoholic or drug addict parents is more likely to get addicted to these drugs. What can parents do about this? There are many protective factors which can prevent a kid from being an addict. Strong parental bonding and student-teacher relationship can be a powerful tool in reducing addiction risk for children. Creating high self-esteem, healthy peer groups, ability to make friends, supportive family members can also act as very strong protective factors. It is the primary responsibility of parents to create the right environment for kids, or else kids may go astray and the consequences are not pleasant. Drug abuse may lead to a host of issues: poor academic performance, poor mental and physical health are obvious, but drug-induced behaviors can also lead to road accidents, unprotected sex, crime, suicide, etc. What is that you can do as a parent or a guardian? First and foremost, parents need to watch out for any subtle changes in teens' life. Watch out for behaviors such as lying about what they are doing or where they are going, and also where they are stealing, if they are stealing money or prescriptions, asking for money too often, withdrawing from family activities, and etc. Once you are convinced that something is amiss, you must slowly build trust and get them to talk to you. You must make them feel comfortable to open up. If you find it difficult, you should seek professional help. Parents must always remember one thing: if a kid gets addicted to drugs, it is more likely to be the fault of the parents or the family than the kids themselves. Let's say no to drugs. Thank you very much.